Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login for Digit. Biometric login lets you access your Digit account quickly and securely using your fingerprint or face recognition. No need to type your password every time you want to log in. Let me show you how it's done. So first, ensure that your phone supports biometrics. Fingerprints or face unlock must already be set up in your phone's setting. Next, open the Digit app. Launch Digit on your iOS or Android device. Log in using your email and password if prompted. Once you're in, go to Settings. Tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines or a profile icon in the corner, and select Settings or Security Settings, depending of course on the version of the app. And once you're there, enable biometric login. Look for an option that's labeled Enable Fingerprint or Face Login, or it could be labeled Biometric Authentication. Toggle it on and confirm when prompted. Authenticate to confirm. Use your fingerprint or facial recognition when prompted to complete the setup. A quick tip, biometric login saves time while maintaining high security. If you ever change your fingerprint or facial data, you may need to re-enable this feature in Digit. You can turn off biometric login at any time in the same settings menu. Digit now lets you access your finances instantly and securely, one touch and you're in. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.